So we're constantly battling trash, sediment, and debris.
It looks like it has some heavy sediment and buildup in it. They're invasive and they create an issue for the rest of the plants.
We're currently going to inspect it with our Q's camera and see what we got going on.
Finding the balance between safety and impact is hard.
That's what we do. This is the dirty part of PWQ.
Text CDOT's Permanent Water Quality Program, PWQ, protecting our water and roadside ecosystems. Our maintainers do the dirty work to keep rural drainage systems working, fight back invasive weeds, clean urban water infrastructure of trash, sediment, and more.
My name is Jesse Abeda. I'm the TM2 here over at Permanent Water Quality.
An animated pin drops beside a busy road where two CDOT crews inspect the area. Text Castle Pines, roadside trash and invasive weeds.
We're out here basically removing any trash or debris that's left behind by the public, weed whipping, and identifying and mitigating invasive species of weeds. And they're invasive and they create an issue for the rest of the plant, so it's good to spray them, identify them, remove them.
The PW team trekked through undergrowth, evaluating and eliminating invasive plant life.
The debris and pollutants from roads and runoff obviously leach down into the waterways and could be horrible for the environment, causing erosion, plant decay, vegetation removal. Control measure is something that will capture sediment and debris and remove it from entering our waterways.
An animated pin drops beside a busy road. Text Sedalia, damaged culvert inspection.
We're here in Sedalia, inspecting a culvert with our Q's camera.
Text Q's camera, an industrial camera designed for sewer and pipeline inspection.
So we're gonna go inspect it and see what the issue is.
The Q's camera travels through a pipeline. A CDOT crew monitors the live feed.
That's it, found our problem. The issue with it today is there's a lot of heavy sediment and trash built up. If it doesn't function properly, we get a lot of buildup and then eventually overflow, which causes flooding and a lot of damage to vehicles where they're sliding out or wrecking.
The Q's camera drives out of the pipeline. An animated pin drops outside the culvert where employees work with shovels to clear the area outside of the pipe. Text Aurora, urban water pollution control.
So the main idea is to remove the sediment and this soggy stuff, let it dry. Eventually, once it dries, we'll come back and remove it. So we want it to look like this.
Jesse spreads dry mud with his shovel.
As you can see, it's a lot of trash, and it's unfortunate, it's sad to see. You look at stuff like this, you know, every single one of us throws a piece out, we're causing damage to our waterways.
CDOT's PWQ employees shovel mud and litter debris out of a clogged culvert.
That's what PWQ is focusing on. How do we mitigate this issue? How do we stop this issue from happening over and over repeatedly? And this isn't just the only one. You know, there's 421 control measures throughout the state that we focus on, and it's frustrating, but we're here to do it. We're here to keep Colorado beautiful.
Kenneth Howlett, CDOT's roadside manager, wears a high visibility vest and a hard hat, speaks to the camera.
We go to extreme measures to try to reduce that impact to the environment and still provide the safety to the motoring public. For example, in our plows, we use technology that measures what we're putting out. What I find most rewarding about my job is seeing the impact of what we do in a positive way. And so taking a control measure or roadside vegetation that's weedy and overgrown and then putting it back to more natural appearance. And then waterways, seeing the sediment removed, the litter debris, and seeing that clean water come out the backside of that outlet structure.
Most people don't know what we're doing every day and the impact that we're having. But that's okay. We'll keep doing it.
Text Colorado Department of Transportation. We do more than you think. Join the team.